Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exquisite Escalation, a European languages learning platform at simul.com.pk. After the completion of alphabet and pronunciation rules of the North and West Germanic languages, I'll commence the instruction of Romance languages onward. Today in this lecture video, you will learn Spanish alphabet and pronunciation rules. You might have found a lot of videos on the basic of all these Germanic and Romance languages, but in this series, you will comprehend all my idiosyncratic instruction about Occidental languages through such a stunning sequence that must be proven a considerably helpful continuum for you to learn a new European language comparatively. In beginning, some basic and essential elaborations about Spanish language customarily. Spanish is a Romance language and it is the descendant of Latin originated in Iberian Peninsula of Europe. It is the world's second most native spoken and fourth most spoken language after English. Spanish is an eminent global language spoken by around 500 million native speakers in Spain and America. It is a part of Ibero-Romance group of languages of Indo-European language family, which evolved from several dialects of ancient Latin after the collapse of Western Roman empires in 5th century. The oldest Latin text with traces of Spanish originated from mid-northern Iberia in 9th century, and then its first well-ordered written form was used in Toledo, a well-known city of the Kingdom of Castile. And then further, with the passage of time and with some essential amendments, a standardized form was developed, famed as modern Spanish, taken to the viceroyalties of the Spanish Empire beginning in 1492. It is quite similar to a few other Romance languages, especially on written basis. It has strong resemblance with Italian language according to its word order, grammatical rules, and intonation. Let's get started the first lecture of Spanish alphabet and pronunciation rules. In first section you will learn Spanish alphabet, and in second section its pronunciation rules to ease you to read and write Spanish language expeditiously. Spanish alphabet. El alfabetos español. Including 5 vowels and 22 consonants, there are 27 letters in Spanish alphabet. Let's have a closer look how we pronounce all these letters respectively. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now pronunciation rules. In the first part of pronunciation, you will learn the pronunciation of consonants, how all these letters are pronounced while standing at various positions in Spanish words. B. This letter is pronounced like B, as in blanco, boca, blanco, boca. C. This letter has 2 different sounds. Before A and E vowel, it is pronounced like S, as in cena, cinco, cena, cinco. Elsewhere, it is pronounced like K, as in caballo, cames, caballo, cames. There. This letter has soft sound D, as in dia, domingo, dia, domingo. F. It is pronounced like F, as in freno, falda, freno, falda. G. This letter has 2 different sounds while standing at 2 various positions in Spanish word. Before A and E vowel, it is pronounced like H, as in gente, gente. Elsewhere, it is pronounced like G, as in gancho, goma, gancho, goma, H. It's never pronounced, it remains silent in any Spanish word. Like hijo, hombre, hijo, hombre. Jota. This letter is pronounced like H, as in hoja, hijo, hoja, hijo. Ka. This letter is pronounced like K, as in kilometro, kilometro, L. It's pronounced like L, as in leche, lemon, leche, lemon, M. This letter is pronounced like M, as in mesa, maleta, mesa, maleta, N. This letter is pronounced like N, as in noche, negro, noche, negro, Nye. This letter is pronounced like Nye, as in niño, baño, niño, baño, P. This letter is pronounced like P, as in pescado, pato, pescado, pato, Q. This letter rarely used in Spanish word, but is pronounced like K, as in queso, química, queso, química, R. This letter is pronounced like R, as in rosa, rodilla, rosa, rodilla, S. This letter is pronounced like S, as in sobrino, sol, sobrino, sol, T. This letter is pronounced like T, as in tiempo, tomate, tiempo, tomate, V. This letter had two different sounds while standing at two various positions in Spanish word. If it appears a first letter in Spanish word, then it is pronounced like B, as in verano, violeta, vaca, verano, violeta, vaca. Elsewhere, in the middle or as a final letter, especially after N consonant, it is pronounced like V, as in enviar, lluvioso, enviar, lluvioso, V doble, V doble. This letter is pronounced like V, as in vatio, but is used rarely in Spanish word. X. This letter has three different sounds while standing at three different positions in Spanish word. First, X. Second, H. Third, S. For instance, X, as in examen, examen. And the second, H, as in Mexico, Jimena, Oaxaca, Mexico, Jimena, Oaxaca. And S, as in xilófono, xenophobia, xilófono, xenophobia. Y. This letter had two different sounds while standing at two various positions in Spanish word. First as Y, yema, yelmo, yema, yelmo. And second, E, especially appearing as final letter in Spanish word. Hoy, soy, hoy, soy. Last letter of Spanish alphabet, Zeta. It is pronounced like S, as in zanahoria, zanahoria. In a lot of places in Spain, it also pronounced like Th, Th, as in cabeza, cabeza. And now Spanish vowels. There are 5 vowels in Spanish alphabet, 3 strong vowels and 2 weak vowels. A, E, O are strong vowels, while E and U are weak vowels. A vowel is pronounced as long vowel when its syllable is stressed. Elsewhere, it is pronounced as short vowel. It's not like in Germanic languages where the double or single vowel is being used to express both position. Either it is used as long vowel or short vowel. Its vowel combination is not much complicated as it is very near to English, so don't worry about that. A. This letter is pronounced like A, as in habanera, hara, habanera, hara. A. This letter is pronounced like A, as in mesa, meno, mesa, meno. E. This letter is pronounced like E, as in prima, sobrina, prima, sobrina. O. This letter is pronounced like O, as in morado, toro, morado, toro. U. This letter is pronounced like U, as in blusa, ducha, blusa, ducha. And now in the third and last part of pronunciation rules, the consonant combinations. How two consonants are pronounced while standing at various positions in Spanish words. Say, ache. This combination is pronounced like ch, as in chuletas, mucho, chuletas, mucho. Eye. Doble L or eye. This combination is pronounced like j, as in jamar, jagar, jamar, jagar. Doble R, doble R. This combination is pronounced like r, r, as in perro, burro, perro, burro. That's all, viewers. Whenever you decide to learn a new language, then your sequence should be precise to straight path to avoid purposeless adversities. For instance, your initiative should be alphabet and pronunciation guide that will ease you to read and write your desired language at a very early stage and procure you a natural self-esteem assiduously. Repeat this lecture video frequently until you acquire perfect pronunciation. Stay tuned, guides, and become perpetual viewers to smash entire barriers constraining your effective communication at your ideal destination, and let's talk to the world with simul.com.pk. See you in next video with essential topic very soon. Stay safe, keep learning. Bye-bye.